Today, we will learn how to create a good-looking profile picture for your LinkedIn. Open Canva and create a custom design of 800 x 800 px. After that, select your picture and go to the Edit Photo option. Crop your face from your full picture and remove its background. Adjust your picture and then apply an outline from the effects mode in the editing options. Then, adjust your picture on frames. Lastly, download it and upload it to your LinkedIn profile. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Take care and subscribe. Goodbye.